Hello everyone, this is Rithun by Christian from CKF, and today we'll be going over USACO 2016 US Open Contest Bronze, Problem 1 Diamond Collector. Let's first start off by reading the question. Bessie the cow, always a fan of shiny objects, has taken a hobby of mining diamonds in her spare time. She has collected N diamonds of varying sizes, and she wants to arrange some of them in a display case in the barn. Since Bessie wants the diamonds in the case to be relatively similar in size, she decides that she will not include 2 diamonds in the case if their sizes differ by more than K. 2 diamonds can be displayed together in the case if their sizes differ by exactly K. Given K, please help Bessie determine the maximum number of diamonds she can play in the case. So, this problem is asking for, there's going to be multiple different diamonds, and we need the maximum number of diamonds that are on the same value K. So let's look at input format. The first line of input contains N and K. The next N lines each contains an integer given the sizes of one of the diamonds. All sizes will be positive and will not exceed 10,000. Output format. Output a single positive integer telling the number of diamonds that Bessie can show. So this file represents N, which contains the number of diamonds. 3 represents K, the distance the maximum distance each diamond could have. So for example, 1 and 6. If you subtract 6 minus 1, you get 5. And since 5 is greater than 3, we will not be able to have both of these diamonds together in the case. So, as you can see here, the output format is 4. Because we could have 1, 4, 3, and 1. Since all diamonds are within a distance of 3. So now let's think about how we can perform this. First, we should arrange in increasing order, and that's because if we have 1, 1, 3, 4, 6, we could keep looping through the array of these numbers until there's a number that is greater than 1, including the distance. And we could have a nested loop, so we go over through each of these values. Now, let's see how I made this code. First, I imported scanner and arrays. I imported arrays so I could sort the arrays, and scanner so I could input the values. I set up the scanner as input, and I took in the next line 5 and 3 as phrase. I gave int n the first substring and int k the third substring. Next, I had to assign diamonds, and since n represents the number of diamonds, I have to put n into int. And then I looped through over until n times, and I got each input as diamonds. Next, I sorted diamonds so they'll be in increasing order. Next, I set up the variables for max diamonds and the loop statements for left and right. So first, I create a right represents the right side of the equation, and I loop all the way through n. If the right side and left side are subtracted with each other and they're greater than k, meaning that if the first value we have is 1 and second value we have 6, if 1 minus 6 is greater than k, left would increase. Next, if after going through each thing and after having the number of left values until the value where it's not greater than the distance, we gave max diamonds set to the value of the max of the highest possible value, meaning that if the current max value is less than this value which we get here, then max diamonds will be set to it. And finally, we print out max diamonds as our output. Thank you for listening to today's video, and please check our backlogs to see other codes, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.